Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 28th of April till the 4th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, and for the self-love 30 days challenge course, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Okay, honey Sagis, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Page of Swords. Somebody is watching you from a distance. It's like at a safe distance from you, and they're kind of learning each and everything about you, but from a distance. Okay, let me clarify this Page of Swords. It's like stalking kind of energy. Let's see what we have. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. This is someone who is keeping their emotions to themselves because it's too much heavy and burdensome for them to reveal it to you. But this person is checking on you if you have something else or someone else in your life that you might be interested in. Okay, so what is happening here, Sagittarius, is that someone is watching from your distance, you from a distance, who is having emotions for you, but these emotions are kind of weighing them down. So they feel like they just watch you from a distance if you are dealing with something else or someone else. What? This is the energy I'm getting. They feel like they're not ready for this coming together or coming back together yet, but they're kind of checking on you all the time. Okay, maybe from fake IDs if you have blocked them or something. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Sagis? Wheel of Fortune. So from your side, you feel like your feelings are changing. They're no longer the same as they used to be. Energies are shifting. Time have changed. This whole connection have changed. A lot have changed in the situation. Let's clarify the wheel. Okay, let's see. We have the Devil, the King of Wands, the Four of Wands. Wow. Okay, so whomsoever was obsessed with the idea from both of you to have commitment, to have marriage, to have long term stability, to have something, is no longer that much obsessed with the idea of this thing now. Now the other person is obsessed. Wow. So you're feeling a sense of change, sense of, wow, this is so hard to express. Okay, Sagittarius, what is happening here is you are feeling a complete change in your feelings from being obsessed with the idea of getting committed and getting married to this person to this energy of completely letting it go. And or if you were not at all interested in this person to have long term commitment or partnership, now you're obsessed with the idea of being with this person for the rest of your life. Take it how it resonates with you, but your feelings and your energies for this particular person or the situation is completely changing from what it used to be before. If you were obsessed, now the obsession is gone. If you were not at all interested, now you're obsessed with the idea of being with this person or this energy for the rest of your life, because this is something that you can't let go of. You are attached in a very unhealthy way. God. Okay, for some of you, now they are kind of obsessed if they were not before. Wow, this is very difficult to express today. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? King of Cups. Okay, their intention is kind of bringing the emotional maturity, emotional stability, and emotional bonding in the situation in a beautiful way, positive way, in a very mature and grounded way. Okay, let me clarify this intention. Their intention seems really nice. We have the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Wow. Okay, so they want to reveal it to you that They don't want to lose the sense of independence, and they also don't want you to lose the sense of your independence. So they want to be in this connection in a very independent kind of way, and that's how this situation is going to make this a good match. So with all the emotional maturity and groundedness that they have, they don't want you to lose your sense of independence, they don't want themselves to lose their sense of independence, and that's how they want to make this beautiful connection work out with clarity, with utmost truth and clarity. Like, okay, let's be in a relationship, but let's not lose the sense of independence, or let's not give it any name. I don't know, this is what I'm getting. This is their intentions. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Sagis? Ace of Pentacles. You want a brand new and very stable and secure beginning. Okay. Let me clarify this before I jump into any kind of conclusions here. We have the Chariot, the Ace of Swords, the Temperance. You just want to move towards a brand new beginning with brand new energies, with a brand new person, with a brand new kind of life. You want to move on from the past. Sagittarius, you just want to be done with the past. You just want to move ahead in your life. You just want to have a very crystal clear clarity of what you really want in your life, and you want to patiently wait for the time, the kind of person, the kind of energy that you want in your life. For some of you, you already have that. For others of you, you just patiently are waiting for the time when you're going to have that in your life. Basically, you're letting go of a past person or past situation, and you're kind of in this energy of, I don't want them anymore in my life, I'm done. You just want to be done. You're not done, you want to be done, and you want to patiently wait for the right kind of energy, right kind of person, so that you can have the safe and secure and stable relationship that you deserve and want in your life. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 4th of May, honey. Sagis. Page of Cups. Okay, this is opening up some kind of emotions. Let me clarify the Page of Cups. We have the Hermit, the Two of Swords, and the Four of Swords. It's like with love in your hearts, both of you are choosing to not to do anything about this situation, because right now the path is not clear at all, at least for one of you, to like what to do about the situation. Should we completely let it go? Should we do something about it? But there is love in the background. So with love in your hearts, you guys, both of you are going to be in this energy of, let's remain detached. Let's think about it. Let's not create a scene here. Let's just think about it unless we are 100% clear about what we should do next in the situation. Let's think about it. But let's keep love and compassion in our hearts. Okay. It's like, P.S. I love you, but I need time to understand. Wow. For you, the guidance here is, it's very simple, and it's something that I always keep on getting. It's like all about self-love, self-care, self-healing. Come back to yourself, Sagittarius. Love yourself like a kid right now these days, because even if you are not feeling what very deeply about whatever is going on, you might be doing a lot of things to distract yourself from the fact that you are going through a very transformative phase. You need a lot of love. You need a lot of motherly kind of love that you have to give to your inner child. Once you are going to be your own lover or own mother, you can say, to your inner child, you will be able to understand very, very clearly and very, very deeply what you really don't want in your life. You know it. Right now also you know it. But then you are going to be more clearer and more deeply attached to your own being. Okay? That's the deal here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Saddies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.